Emotional day in court as the man convicted of killing 2 people inside a Louisville restaurant learned his sentence.
WDRB's Stefan Johnson tells us who the shooter addressed before he was sent to prison.
Behind me in court on Thursday, Karson Reitz asked the judge to modify the jury's recommendation of 17 years, and he apologized to family members of the victims. Karson Reitz walked into the courtroom wearing an orange jail-issued jumpsuit, handcuffs, and shackles. And the hearing starts with a plea from his attorney.
He's a first-time offender. As the court's aware, first-time offenders in Kentucky, probation is encouraged.
After his attorney spoke, Karson addressed family members of the 2 victims.
I just want to say to the Cross family that I have not heard one bad thing about Mr. Bradley.
You never will.
Mr. Reitz, the record statements to me.
I've never heard a single bad statement about Mr. Bradley Cross. And it pains me that because of my actions that he is no longer here.
After apologizing to family members, Karson made a plea to the judge.
I know that I may never be forgiven for what happened that night, but I just pray that you may have some mercy on me in this court.
In December of 2021, Rice shot and killed 48-year-old Michael Miller and 51-year-old Bradley Cross at the Roosters location on Preston Highway. At trial, he was convicted of manslaughter and wanton endangerment. Before handing down the sentence, the court heard victim impact statements from several people, including Cross's daughter and wife.
I love my dad, and when you took him, you took a piece of me.
Karson, you took the life of my husband of 30 years. You took the life of the father of our children. Most importantly, you took the life of a good man.
After hearing from attorneys on both sides and family members, Judge Sarah Clay followed the jury's recommendation.
However, I will not change the jury's sentence. I think 17 years is an appropriate sentence in this case.
Rice will be eligible for parole after serving 85%, which is about 14 years. His attorneys say they're already planning an appeal. Stefan Johnson, WDRB News.